there, I'm Beth with 50 Plus Beauty, and I'm here to share with you how I am fighting and I think winning the battle against lip lines. Yes, a lot of you in my videos in the comment sections have said through the years, Beth, how do you have such nice lips? You don't have lip lines. Well, I didn't think I did, quite honestly, and I just said, well, my mother had good skin. I really don't know what I'm doing. And then all of a sudden, maybe about 4 months ago, I looked in the mirror and went, oh my gosh, I have lip lines, like deep lip lines. And that's when I went about trying to find ways to lessen them. And I am 66 years old, and so it is not possible to have totally no lip lines, but I think I found a wonderful solution. And thanks so much to City Lips, because I have been using the City Lips lip plumpers for a very long time, and I absolutely love them. And they have been instrumental in helping me with my lip lines, plus another few things which I'll be sharing with you. But before I get to that, I did want to show you the outfit that I'm wearing today. It is from Clara Sunwoo, and I have all the information below the video, but I really love it. It is a black dress, and you can wear it with tights, or I had it also on last week with skinny jeans, and it looked absolutely darling. It looks a little better when you show a little more ankle than I did. My husband pointed out that I'd accidentally grabbed his socks, and so you really need no-show socks because it looks a lot better when you show a little ankle. But again, all of that information is below the video. Wonderful outfit, especially for the upcoming holidays. Now, let me get into this video about how I have been successfully fighting lip lines. And the first thing I'm doing is I no longer use a straw. And what I do instead is that, and this is a Quick Trip cup. This is our local convenience store chain here in the Midwest. Love it. But what I do is I just cut out that part where the straw would be. And then when I drink, and this is great peach tea, I am not getting lip lines. And I told my friend Terry about this, and she said, well, Beth, I was totally cured of that habit because my sister-in-law said, just take a look at yourself in the mirror when you are drinking from a straw. And here is a look at what that can look like. And I realized that I will never drink from a straw again because I really don't want those smokers' lip lines. Even if you're not a smoker, I'm not a smoker, but I was getting them for sure. And in addition to breaking my straw habit, I have been using some wonderful City Beauty products to plump up my lips. And when you do that, when you keep your lips nice and plump, it really helps smooth out those lip lines. And I'm so excited that City Beauty partnered with me to bring this information to you because right now they're running a pre-Black Friday sale with a buy one, get one on their wonderful Beyond Mascara. And that is what I have on my lashes right now. It is a beautiful lengthening but separating mascara. It gives you really long separated lashes, which I really appreciate. This is a wonderful mascara. Again, it's buy one, get one, November 15th through November 22nd. Great mascara. And they have buy one, get one during the sale on their beautiful plumping lip glosses. And before I get into the plumping lip gloss, I did want to show you one product which I absolutely love, and that is their City Lips Night Oil. And this is what I've been using in the evening, and I will tell you, this does not go on sale until their Black Friday sale, but I've listed it below. Basically, on November 26th, you can get it 40% off. And this is a lovely moisturizing lip oil. Whoa, can't get it out there. And see, it just goes on just like that. And once you get this started, you will be addicted to it. It's just a wonderfully nourishing oil. And we've been learning lately how oils are so good for your hair and for your skin, and especially for your lips. So do remember this during their upcoming Black Friday sale. But let me go in and show you their plumping lip gloss. And if you haven't ever tried it, it is phenomenal. I have it on, and this is my pretty much favorite lipstick lately. It's a little cheap Rimmel lipstick. It has this kind of color to it. And basically at the end of the video, I'm not going to be giving you a thought for the day. I'm going to be explaining why I haven't been making very many videos lately. But this is my mother-in-law's favorite lipstick. I bought it for her, and then I bought a tube for me. It's the Rimmel Heather Shimmer, really pretty. I have that on my lips right now. I guess I'll go ahead and add it again. And then I'll show you what I love to put over it. And this is that beautiful Heather Shimmer, which is a really nice universal type shade. And my favorite City Lips Plumping Lip Gloss, in addition to the clear, I love the clear. I wear it a lot. In fact, I carry it around with me in my makeup bag in my purse. And this is the San Diego City Lips Plumping Lip Gloss. And here it is. Here it is on my lips. It just feels beautifully moisturizing, and it just gives your lips a little bit of a plumping effect after about 10 minutes. In fact, here, let me show you a before and after of all the City Lips Plumping Lip Glosses and the effects that they have almost immediately and then over 30 days. Here we can see 3 different sets of lips, and in the before picture, the lips are, they're okay. But 10 minutes after the use of the City Lips Lip Plumper, as you can see, the lips have a nice plump look to them. But after 30 days of use, the lips are even more plump. And that's what I love about the City Lips Lip Plumpers, is that not only do they give you an almost immediate plumping effect after about 10 minutes, if you use them daily for 30 days, you have an ongoing plumping effect that is much more permanent, which I really like. And I have stopped using lip fillers of any type. The last lip fillers I used were 2 years ago. I still have a little bit in there, and I have been hearing a lot lately that hyaluronic acid fillers, which I used in my lips because I always heard they were temporary and they would go away. Unfortunately, they're now finding that sometimes not all that lip filler goes away, and that it can migrate into like your chin, different parts of your face. And so I don't want to use lip fillers anymore. But these plumping lip glosses are hyaluronic acid based, which is just like what they use when they inject your lips, but it is safe because you're using it on the outside of your lips along with oligopeptides, I think. I'm not sure I'm right about that exact word, but that provides a very moisturizing, plumping lip gloss, which is truly wonderful. Now let me go ahead and show you some of the shades, and all of the shades, the complete line, in addition to the mascara, are buy one, get one for the next few days. So do follow my link below the video in the description to see all of the lovely shades that they have. And I did want to tell you one thing, and that is that the reviews on this product are phenomenal. City Lips has over 1,100 reviews on its website, and it is like almost 5 stars, maybe 4.5 stars. And that is pretty incredible. Okay, let me go in and show you some City Lips shades here. And at the very end, I'll be following up with their 2 new holiday shades, which are really wonderful. Okay, now let me share some of the City Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss shades. The first is the Clear Gloss, and I do keep this in my purse all the time because no matter what lipstick you have on, it just gives it a little more shine, a little more gloss, totally clear, but it does give you that plumping effect, which is just wonderful. And then the San Diego, which is really my favorite, in addition to the clear. I wear the clear a lot, and I wear the San Diego a lot. In fact, these are the 2 that I carry around in my purse. That is the San Diego, which is just a little peachy, kind of pinky gloss there. Absolutely beautiful. And here is one when you want to be a little more dramatic, and this is the Coral Sunrise. And I'll show you that. It's really good if you kind of favor the orangey warm shades. Look at that. That looks exciting. I kind of feel like putting that on. Let me go ahead and try that on for you. I'm not sure that orange is my color, but we'll just go ahead and take off all the lipstick and just put on a little bit of this Coral Sunrise. Ooh, that's pretty. Really, though, orange is really pretty much not my shade. Let me know in the comment section if you agree or disagree, but I don't think that's a good shade for me because I'm more of a pink person, but I'm going to go ahead and take that one off so I can show you another one. But this is really wonderful if you love the corals. And the next one is called South Peach. And I'll go ahead, maybe I should come in a little more. Okay, much better. The South Peach. And I think this one's really pretty. That is kind of like the San Diego, but it just has a very subtle, natural look to it. Look how beautiful that looks, especially like on a Saturday morning when you don't have much makeup on. You just want to look like you rolled out of bed and that you look beautiful. This is a great shade to give you the plumping effect and also just a little bit of color. And then this next one I really like, especially if you like brown lipsticks. I like brown lipsticks in the fall. and even into the winter. And this one is called Sparkling Cider. And I'll try this one on for you. I think this one's particularly pretty, and it has that little bit of shimmer in it, almost like a little glitter. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh boy, that one's really beautiful. And it really does kind of add an extra sparkle to any of your brown or nude lipsticks. Now, this one is very similar to the Sparkling Cider. This is the Plum Springs. And I'll go ahead and show you that on my hand. Oh, I've got a hair there. There we go. Plum Springs. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. I love that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. And I'll put this Plum Springs on. And I think you can wear this one easily without a lipstick under it. Actually, all of these you can wear by themselves, or you can wear them with lipsticks. That's really very subtle looking when you get it on. It seems like it would be very dark, but it really isn't. Very, very pretty. Now, this one is a wild one, and I actually have never tried this one on before because, I don't know, it seems a little wild for me. Let's go ahead. I'll show it to you on my hand first. And this one is called, what is it? It is called Orchid. That makes sense. Like a purple orchid. Ooh, that is pretty. There's a little bit of lilac shimmer to it. Oh, wow. I would say this would be much better for my winters out there. I'm a spring and this is a little cool for me. But there is how that looks. I'll go ahead and take that one off. And I'm about to show you the new holiday shades. But before I get to those two new holiday shades, I'll show you this Midnight Sparkle, which just is like a clear gloss with a little bit of sparkle to it. I'll show you how that looks. And if you're getting a little bored of the totally clear gloss, you can hardly see that, but it's got like a moon-like sparkle to it. This is really pretty. And one of the reasons I really like the plumping effect of these lip glosses is because the lip lines that we get actually on our lips, it plumps them out and they just don't look as noticeable. But that is really pretty and it goes over any lipstick. Very, very versatile. Now, let's get into the new holiday shades. Let me get a new Kleenex here. Okay, the first one is called Silver Skyline. Silver Skyline. And I'll go ahead and show that one to you. I'll put this one down below the clear. That is the Silver Skyline. You can see the silver in that one. These are all so beautiful. It's nice to have a wardrobe. And at buy one, get one, they're very easily affordable. Each one is around $17.50, I think. Buy one, get one. But that is the Silver Skyline. And I think this would be very pretty over a bright holiday lipstick, because sometimes when you're trying reds out and you're not used to wearing them, over the holidays you put a red on and it's like, oh, that's too much. And so you can put this over it and make it look just gorgeous. I wonder if I have a red here to show you. Okay, I did find a red here. This is the Milani lipstick in Blushing Beauty. And again, I'll get up a little closer and look at it. It's a really nice red, kind of an orangey red. So that is a red that looks a little bit strong for me. I am older, but I'm going to go ahead and cover it with the Silver Skyline to give myself some sparkle and some plump. Oh, that looks really pretty. And almost immediately, I don't know if you could see that, but my lips just look a little bigger, a little fuller, and that was pretty much immediate. I really like that. I'm going to remember that combination, Milani 51 Blushing Beauty plus the Silver Skyline from City Lips. Very, very beautiful. Now, City Lips has a really vibrant red, And I'm going to show this to you by itself because I think it would stand on its own. But here is a more mild looking red, with the Blushing Beauty covered by the Silver Skyline. But I'm going to go ahead and add this one, and this is called Holly. That kind of makes sense, like a holly berry. And it is a darkish red. Ooh, that's really dramatic. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that is for you ladies who really like to make a statement. That is probably a little red for me. I would say it is more of a wintry looking red. It is a red, but with a little bit of a gold shimmer. And this would also help if you were wearing a red lipstick. But quite honestly, between the Silver Skyline and the Holly, because I am kind of pale with light coloring, I really prefer the Silver Skyline. And in addition to being a great holiday lipstick, this is one you could wear throughout the year and it would be just wonderful. Well, here I am back again with the Blushing Beauty Milani lipstick covered by the Silver Skyline City Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss. And I really like this combination for the holidays, and I will definitely be pulling this out and wearing it for sure. And I did want to remind you again, this is a buy one, get one sale. Go below the video to follow the links. It's November 15th through the 22nd. Buy one, get one on the lovely Beyond Mascara and the City Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss. Okay, I normally leave you with a little thought for the day at this point in the video, and I decided I would rather just take a few minutes and explain what's been going on in my life. And basically, as you know, about 5 months ago on May 5th, my husband and I moved into a new house that needed lots and lots of work, or at least redecorating. I didn't really prefer the dark wood look of the house, a lot of wood trim, a lot of dark gold paint, very, very old world looking. And so we have been working on the house, and we actually move in. The movers come to move our furniture from the first floor. It's been in the garage. We've been living in the basement, but they're going to move the furniture from the garage into the first floor in 2 days. Today's Thursday. They're going to move it in tomorrow. I can hardly wait. And also, as some of you may know, I have really been spending lots and lots of my time and my life energy dealing with my aging parents. My mother and father are in a wonderful senior independent apartment complex, which is 3 minutes away, but we go over there and visit a lot and have them over here a lot with other members of the family. And that's on my side. And unfortunately, Darlene, this beautiful lady, Darlene Snyder, my mother-in-law, my husband's mother, she passed away last Friday. And it has been really, really difficult for the family. And before that, she had about the past 6 months filled with a lot of major medical problems, a lot of trips to the emergency room, a lot of stays in the hospital, a lot of rehab. And so I've really just been dealing with giving my time and energies to all three of my remaining parents. And Darlene, I know you're in heaven. You said when we took you to the hospital this last time that you were ready to go home to see Dawn. And in addition to dealing with Alan and my aging parents, Alan has had a lot of duties on our rental houses, and I've been helping him on that. So for at least some time, I hope you'll be patient with me. I will be popping in to see you every now and then, not as regularly as before, but please remember that you're always in my heart. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.